Greetings, guys, gals, buddies, and pals. I'm the one that referred to as Dezi Perado, and today I just wanted to take a look at this plugin that appeared in my Instagram feed called OCTANE. This plugin states that it's a bunch of virtual sounding instruments that you could download into your DAW and use it pretty much. The crazy thing was that it appeared and said that it was only $9.99, $10. So I thought it was too good to be true. I'm like, $10 for this, all these sounds, for this kind of thing? I don't know. So I was like, you know what? Let's just give this a try and see what we find. This isn't really necessarily a review. This is more of just kind of a look at the product. I literally got it today, so I'm kind of just going to go through this and maybe listen to some sounds and see exactly what we can do in this plugin. So if you're into this, make sure to like and subscribe. But let's check it out. Here, I'm gonna go open this up. Let's see if I can find it. Sonic Sounds, Octane, Stereo. Okay. Now this is what it looks like, right? It's raining here, as you can hear. I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but it's raining. So pretty much what we have here is we have sounds here, or should I say, the categories here with the sounds here. So if we pick, let's say, like bells, we have some presets we can go through. I was listening to this earlier, and a lot of the sounds come stock with some nice reverbs and delays on them. You can always take the delays off up here by just clicking the button. And the same thing with the reverb. We have a transgate down here, and other knobs and things. But let's check out some of these sounds. This is under bell. Let's go to trap bell. Let's just skip right to this. Trap music box. Let's see. Take the delay off. Right? We can bring the master volume down up here. Let's see. I like bells for some reason. I just like to, they just remind me of like, I don't know, like those little bell boxes. That sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful. Wave bell. Let's check out some of these strings. I mean, the biggest thing that I'm doing right now, I'm just listening to the sounds, and they all have this nice like reverb, delay kind of thing going on. And I actually like the way this looks. The interface, clean, sleek, simple. I like this little equalizer in the middle here. You hit the sound. I don't think I even picked any strings yet. Let's see. Whoa. You see what I mean? Like, vinyl strings. Take the delay off. Ooh, that's loud. And the big one is we'll do keys. I know a lot of people are into the trap keys. Let's see. That's some wild sounding bendy keys here. That sounds pretty cool. I like some delay, not a lot though. But you could just adjust it here. I'm actually digging this here with all the delays and the reverbs, how it's all like on the same page like this. Check this out. Okay, so balance looks like it pans actually. Oh wait, that's off, duh. What would be good? Let's see. Trap clean piano. That sounds pretty good too. I mean, what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to give a sample of some of the sounds here and, you know, hear them maybe in some serious melodies, serious type melodies. The storm is coming. And let's just maybe look at leads here. I didn't... Chinese fantasy. Too much delay for me. I love you. Whoa. That thunder is real. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's going crazy behind me. That's called I Love You. This also had 808, I think. Let me say bass. Some crazy arpeggio. Let's see, put the glide up, see how that's happening. Whoa, super glide, super glide. Cool, 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 cool. Very simple. The button's right there. Man. Wow. So all these options are on the main page. The second page is layers. I actually like this page a lot because this is kind of like Contact's hybrid keys where you're allowed to pick 2 sounds, or Logic's stock plugin called Mellotron. So let me show you this real quick. So in the Mellotron, you have, sounds you could pick on both sides here. Violin, boys choir, right? And based on what you choose, you can go back and forth and kind of get both sounds at the same time, mixed together, right? That kind of thing like that. The only thing here is there's only about 10 sounds, 5 to 10, 10 sounds here that you can mix and match. That's about it. On this one though, however, in Octane, it gives you like maybe every sound that's in this plugin that you can use for both sides. There we go. So if you wanted to have like, let's say a bell and on one side and let's say heavy strings on the other. You see what I mean? You could put these together. Mess with the gain a little bit. Bring these down so it's not so loud. Add a little decay. Like that just sounds crazy, right? Another thing we could do is actually turn the arpeggiator on. Maybe you could turn this up, and then if you hit a couple keys, it'll then make some arpeggios for you. The speed, direction. This is cool, man. So, I mean, you get the idea here with the arpeggiator. Let me turn this off. Play your second sound. The last option here is the equalizer. And they have different presets all across here. So if you want to give this a low pass, you could just activate it. Maybe a high pass. I mean, you get the concept and idea on how this works. You got the EQ here. You can activate how you want it to sound with the layers, you know, with layer 1, layer 2. Turn on your arpeggiator for octave, speed, direction. Pick your sounds for both layer 1, layer 2. And then the main is going to be, you know, delay, reverb, transgate. I don't think we heard this, but let's see if we can find a little bit of transgate just for fun here. See? That's a little transgate. Turn it off. Turn it on. Yeah. There are so many possibilities here. I'm going to definitely use this. So, I'm actually having a lot of fun with this plugin. Considering that this was only $10 or $9.99 right now for a limited time. I'm not sure if they're going to put the price up eventually. I'm not sure about any of that, but I know right now, $9.99, tons of sounds, tons of options, tons of fun. You know, if you haven't bought a plugin recently and you feel like you just want to try something out, I would say give this a go. I mean, you really can't beat the price. Like literally $10. Anyway, the next thing I want to do is I just want to show you the beat I made. So let's check this out. So now I made this beat with a flute, 2 strings, a piano, and a bass, all from the OCTANE plugin.